and welcome back to my channel at Home with Chelle. So today's video is a Cherryz haul where I'll be showing you some of the bargains that I picked up and my favourite cleaning products. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, lifestyle vlogs, a little bit of everything really. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't heard of Cherryz before, then you're probably not alone because I hadn't either. They're basically a shopping app where you can buy all your everyday essentials and save a lot of money at the same time. So they sell things such as all your cleaning and household products, health and beauty products, a selection of food and other household items. They're essentially like an online home bargains and B&M store, and I really like it because at the minute with the current pandemic that's going on, it means I can go on the app, get all my cleaning products, everything that I want without basically needing to leave my house, and it just gets delivered to my door. So I ordered on the Thursday and everything was delivered to me on the Friday, which I think is amazing service. If you do want to buy anything from Cherryz and have a browse on their store, then it is so easy. All you need to do is download their app Cherryz, and then I've also got a 20% off discount code for all of my followers, which is amazing. So you just need to enter the code with Chelle20. Remember that only works on the app, and then you will get 20% off your first order. So I'll show you everything that I got in my Cherryz haul. I focused mainly on cleaning products because that was what I needed, but like I said earlier, you can get loads of other things in there, and I'll show you a couple of other bits that I picked up. So in no particular order, I'll just go through and show you some of my cleaning products, which are also some of my favourite products as well. So I'll start with one of my favourite cleaning products, which is the Flora. I absolutely love this stuff and it has so many uses. I've actually done a video on the top 10 uses of the Flora, so I'll link that down below for you if you want to watch that. I use this every single day. So I got this one and I hadn't actually seen this flavour anywhere. So it's honeysuckle and jasmine, and I'm very excited to try that one. I also got a new Dishmatic. So I've got a Dishmatic and the Dishmatic refills. I use these quite a lot for washing up, and I find them really useful for actually cleaning the bath as well and the sink. So what I'll sometimes do is I put Flash bathroom cleaner into these and I basically clean around the sink with it. I picked up some baking soda. I use this quite a lot with like lemons, and it's really good for kind of getting rid of stains as well. So this is a real natural cleaning product that I really like to use. I picked up some Fairy fabric softener. So Cherryz also do loads of laundry products on there, and I absolutely love Fairy because I've got a 1-year-old daughter who suffers with eczema and she can't really use any other kind of product, so this is really great on her skin. So I got some of that in there. Another one of my favourites is I got the Cif cream cleaner. I got the lemon one because I think it just smells really nice, and I always use this to clean my sink and my hob. I honestly don't use anything else to clean my sink and hob. I think for stainless steel, this Cif cream cleaner brings it up amazingly. Another thing that I picked up is this Fire Cow bathroom cleaner. Now I haven't actually tried this at all, but I have seen really good things about how it kind of tackles limescale, so I'm really excited to try this. I've got some limescale around some of my taps, you know, just when it won't come off with kind of normal bathroom cleaner. So I've seen quite a few people use this, kind of spray it on there and leave it, and it does remove the limescale. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try, and hopefully it will get rid of the horrible kind of limescale and watermarks on the taps. I got these two Nutridoll products. So I've used this one before. I really like this. This is basically a carpet deodorizer. So I either use this one or the 1001 carpet spray. If there's more of an odour, I would probably use this one because you basically shake this on the carpets before you vacuum and then vacuum it up. Whereas the 1001 carpet spray, it gives a really nice kind of finish afterwards. But yeah, I have run out of that, so I needed some more of that one. And this is the bin one. So I haven't actually tried this one, but I have used the Bin Buddy, which I'm guessing is quite similar, because we have, you know, kind of put pooey nappies and things in the bin, and sometimes, you know, bins they just don't smell very nice. So getting something like this, hopefully it will smell quite nice, because I hate that if you're in the kitchen and you put something in the bin and you get that horrible smell. So yeah, hopefully this will make the bin smell a little bit nicer. What else did I get? Oh, I couldn't do a cleaning haul and my favourite cleaning products without showing you this. This is my all-time favourite cleaning product. It is the pink stuff. I absolutely love it. It's basically like an abrasive paste and I use it for so many things. It is amazing for kind of those hard to get rid of stains. If the oven's really dirty, then I use this on it. I use it on PVC, I use it to clean the iron. It's really good actually for cleaning saucepans, you know, in the bottom of them sometimes they get a bit kind of rusty or they just don't look shiny anymore, and you use this on them and they come up like new. I've done a video on the pink stuff as well where I show you 10 ways you can use the pink stuff. So if you do want to see more, then I'll link that video down below for you to watch as well. This actually, I picked up this Vanish soap bar. I have been looking for this for so long. I used to use this years ago and it was amazing for getting stains out of clothes, and I literally haven't been able to find it anywhere, and I was so happy when I've seen it online because you can just rub it like directly onto the stains and it works amazingly. So I'm very happy that they had this on there, and I think it was, I can't remember how much it was exactly, I'll put it on the screen below, but it was super cheap compared to a lot of the other Vanish products and works just as well. So that's kind of all the cleaning products that I picked up, and I did pick up some cloths, so I'll show you them. I picked up a minky. I needed a new antibacterial minky. I always use this for cleaning the hob and sink, so with the Cif cream cleaner that I mentioned earlier. It works amazingly, and although it is slightly abrasive, it doesn't actually scratch the stainless steel or anything, where I find other cloths do, so I really like this. And what I thought I'd also try, I've seen this on there and I haven't tried this, so it's kind of similar to the minky, but it's the elbow grease one. I think this was only £1, so it was literally a third of the price of the minky. I'm looking forward to trying this. Yeah, basically seeing how I get on compared to the minky. In all honesty, it feels quite similar, so yeah, it's got the kind of the more abrasive rough side, and then it's got the smooth side as well, so we'll see how I get on with that one. Then I just bought some cloths here, so I bought a 7-pack of cloths, so these are super absorbent as well. Really like using these just for, you know, if you're cleaning things like the toilet or bins, it's really good just to have some kind of cheaper cloths around for that. And then the last thing I picked up was just a pack of sponges, so these are just kind of multi-purpose sponges. These were a pack of 20, which I think were £1, which is just amazing. So that is all of the, oh, one more thing I picked up, I forgot to show you. I got some gloves in there, so these are just for washing up or cleaning. My eldest daughter gets quite bad eczema as well, so she needs gloves to wash up in, and our old ones have just got a hole in, so she's had an excuse not to wash up for a while. But now I've got her these, there's no excuse for her not to wash up. So now that is everything out of my kind of cleaning, and you can see I've picked up some of my favourite cleaning products, and they do sell lots more, so I've actually got another order on its way for a few more bits that I've just ran out of as well. So I'll just show you a couple of kind of beauty type things that I picked up as well. So I didn't really pick that much up from the beauty. So I picked up some shower gels, so they have loads of different shower gels on there, and they were really good value as well. So I just got the Radox pomegranate and red apple scent. I needed some new fake tan, and I did use this years ago. I don't really use fake tan, but I thought I would get some when I seen this on there, and I think it was like £3 or £4 or something as well, like really cheap. So I've got the St Mortis instant tanning mousse, so I will try this, and yeah, hopefully it will give me a little bit of a colour. And I also picked up these self-tanning wipes. I haven't actually tried these before, so I'm really looking forward to how they go. I'm thinking I might use these on my face, because I always have kind of makeup and I put SPF 50 on my face. I don't kind of, you know, want to get wrinkles or anything like that. So, but then sometimes my face and my body are completely different colours because, yeah, it just never tans. So I'm thinking maybe if I use these on my face and it'll give it a bit of colour and maybe match up with my tan on my body a little bit more as well. So again, I think they were like £1 or something, so really, really good value. That's kind of all the bits I got in beauty, but like I said, there are loads more things in their beauty section on there. And then a couple of household kind of little bits that I got as well. I got some freezer bags. These were just so cheap. These were £1 for 250 freezer bags, which is just really good because, yeah, they come in handy for loads of things, like, you know, like putting big packs of chicken breasts in, or we'll often buy a big pack of mince and then I'll split it into smaller portions and put it in the freezer. So bags like this just come in really handy for doing things like that. And then the last thing I got are these toaster bags. I really like toasters, but sometimes it's a bit of an effort to get to get the toasty maker out. So I thought I would try these. I haven't actually tried them before, but they're basically like a toasty in a bag. So you just kind of make up your toasty as though you were going to put it in the sandwich maker. But instead of doing that, you just put the bag straight into the toaster, and then it's ready. So yeah, these are reusable ones, so I'll see how I get on with these. Thought it was quite handy for taking to work and things as well. Yeah, and again, I think they were like £1, so a real bargain. So you can see from my haul today that I've picked up some absolute bargains on Cherries. They just do literally everything that you could think of, and it saves you having to go out the house, and you get it delivered basically the next day. So I'm very pleased with everything that I've picked up, and like I said, I've already got another order on the way as I'm filming this video. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's gave you some ideas of what's actually available on the Cherries app. Remember, if you want to use my discount, it's with Chelle 20, and then you need to use that on the app, and that will give you 20% off your first order. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!